The guys got the garage doors installed today. We've been having some crazy weather. You can hear how loud the rain was hitting the metal roof on the warehouse. We even got some decent sized hail. I stopped by the job site this evening to make sure everything was okay, and there was a huge double rainbow over the building. It's been a long time coming for these doors to get installed, and I'm happy with how they turned out. I like that they're white on the inside. This will really help to reflect the light, especially since this building is going to be used for an auto body shop. We're still waiting on the motors, but they put some temporary locks on so I can secure the building in the meantime. Let me know in the comments if you like these doors.